The Sol 5 is a 3-watt mobile light aimed at content creators and phone photographers. It has a built-in mirror and light that extends and rotates to get the best angles, multiple angles in fact. The first light I bought, unfortunately, the magnet popped out and Harlowe was kind enough to send another. This video is not sponsored, by the way. You can attach a magnet to your phone if you don't have a MagSafe case for an easy setup. The Sol 5 folds like a clamshell, so it's extremely easy to travel with. I even used it as the only light I brought with me for a recent trip to LA. There are also separate accessories that can be bought for Sol 5, like a tripod and a softbox. These tools keep me well lit for Zoom calls and talk videos. Like the other lights in the Harlowe family, the color temperature is adjustable from 2700K to 6500K. It lasts 1.5 hours on maximum brightness and is chargeable through USB-C and can reach a full battery under 45 minutes. Sol 5 also has a burst mode where at the press of a button, the light goes from 3 watts to 5.5 watts. The burst lasts 30 seconds. This light is aluminum, lightweight, and fits into my everyday carry. I would recommend this light for mobile photographers and content creators. The Sol 5 lighting kit costs $79. The travel kit, which includes the case and softbox, is $159. The tabletop tripod comes in a basic version for $79 and a studio version for $95. The studio tripod comes with 2 V-mount attachments for mics and additional lights. Check out some samples of photos I took using the Sol 5.